comprehension is an invisible process. It's a conversation that occurs in the reader's head. He decodes a few words or sentences, and then he thinks about what they mean. To help students grasp this process, introduce them to their reader voices. The reading voice decodes the words in a text. It recognizes letters, words, and even images. And the thinking voice explains what the words or visuals mean. The reading voice speaks loudly, but the thinking voice whispers. We have to be intentional about listening for the thinking voice. Too often, students think that by simply saying all the words, they will understand what the text is about. Introducing the two voices to students helps them recognize that readers are thinkers. Reveal the voices on signs and demonstrate how readers think while they read. Hold them back to back and reveal the reading voice as you read aloud words in a text. Then rotate the signs to show the thinking voice as you look away from the text and share a thought. Reference the reading voice and thinking voice all year when introducing new skills within comprehension lessons, when practicing previously taught skills in read-alouds, and even when applying relevant skills with content area texts. This will remind readers to listen for their thinking voice and will ultimately improve comprehension.